So I often talk about getting up an hour earlier in the morning to get some drawing done when you're short of time, and that's all very well, but the problem is I've got to get everything else done an hour earlier as well, including walking the dog. And look at this, bearing in mind I've been out 20 minutes already. Let me tell you, it is scary down these woods at this time of the morning, but it's all in the name of art, and I will get my drawing done. Ooh, that's if I don't get murdered. Let's hope not. Check out our previous videos and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss your Art Kick Sunday. Meanwhile, you can check out our podcast and find the creative challenges we have coming up at www.kickinthecreatives.com. Back soon.